Oceanco Cosmos, a stunning 90-meter concept. Oceanco Cosmos is a breathtaking 90-meter superyacht concept that has captured the imagination of yacht enthusiasts worldwide. Collaborating with renowned designer Luis de Basto, Oceanco has created a vessel that seamlessly blends luxury, innovation, and environmental consciousness. Key features of Oceanco Cosmos. Iconic glass dome. The most striking feature of Cosmos is its massive glass dome, offering unparalleled panoramic views while providing protection from the elements. Modern elegance. The yacht's interior is characterized by clean lines, contemporary design, and a harmonious blend of natural light and luxurious materials. Sustainable focus. Oceanco is committed to building eco-friendly yachts, and Cosmos is likely to incorporate advanced technologies to minimize its environmental impact. Unmatched comfort. With ample space for relaxation and entertainment, Cosmos promises an unparalleled onboard experience. A glimpse into luxury. Oceanco Cosmos represents the pinnacle of luxury yacht design, offering owners and guests an extraordinary lifestyle at sea. Would you like to know more about specific aspects of the Cosmos, such as its potential amenities, technical specifications, or the design philosophy behind it? Flying Fox, the ultimate luxury yacht. Flying Fox is not just a yacht, it's a floating masterpiece. As the world's largest yacht available for charter, this 136-meter behemoth redefines luxury and maritime experience. A glimpse of opulence, unmatched size and space. With 6 expansive decks, Flying Fox offers unparalleled living space, both indoors and outdoors. Stunning design. The yacht's exterior, crafted by Espinoino, is a harmonious blend of elegance and power. Mark Berryman's interior design creates a serene and luxurious atmosphere. Extraordinary amenities. From a spa and gym to a beach club and helipad, Flying Fox boasts amenities that rival those of a 5-star resort. Exceptional service. A dedicated crew of 55 ensures that every guest's desire is met with impeccable attention. A taste of the Flying Fox experience. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views, indulging in world-class cuisine prepared by your private chef, and relaxing in the spa after an exhilarating water sport adventure. This is the Flying Fox lifestyle. Would you like to know more about the specific amenities, charter rates, or popular destinations for Flying Fox? Or perhaps you're curious about other luxury yachts that can compare to this maritime marvel. Luxury yachts. Opulence on the water. A luxury yacht is the epitome of opulence and maritime grandeur. These floating palaces offer unparalleled comfort, style, and exclusivity. From sleek, modern designs to classic, timeless aesthetics, there's a luxury yacht to suit every taste. Key features of luxury yachts. Unmatched luxury, lavish interiors, fine materials, and exquisite craftsmanship define luxury yachts. Expect spacious cabins, opulent lounges, and state-of-the-art amenities. Advanced technology, cutting-edge navigation systems, entertainment systems, and stabilization technology ensure a smooth and enjoyable voyage. Personalized service. Dedicated crews provide attentive service, catering to your every whim. Diverse amenities. From infinity pools and spas to helipads and underwater lounges, luxury yachts offer an array of amenities to indulge your desires. Motor yachts. Known for speed and power, motor yachts are perfect for those who prefer a fast-paced lifestyle. Sailing yachts. Offering a more graceful and environmentally friendly experience, sailing yachts combine luxury with the thrill of sailing. Mega yachts. These colossal vessels redefine luxury living, boasting multiple decks, helipads, and extensive amenities. Explorer yachts. Designed for adventure, Explorer yachts combine luxury with rugged capabilities, allowing you to explore remote destinations. Bilgin 263 Leona, a luxury superyacht. Bilgin 263 Leona is an impressive 80-meter, 262 feet, superyacht built by Bilgin Yachts in Turkey. Known for its sleek design and luxurious interior, Leona is a standout in the world of luxury yachting. Key features and highlights. Exterior design. The yacht boasts a striking exterior characterized by a long, pointed bow and a clean, modern aesthetic. Interior design. Designed by H2 Yacht Design, the interior is characterized by elegance and comfort, with a focus on spacious living areas. Performance. Powered by twin MTU engines, Leona can reach a maximum speed of 19 knots and has a cruising range of approximately 5,000 nautical miles. Amenities. The yacht offers a range of luxurious amenities, including a swimming pool, spa, gym, and multiple outdoor living spaces. Want to learn more? Would you like to see some pictures? Or perhaps learn more about the yacht's interior design or technical specifications? I can also provide information on chartering or purchasing this impressive vessel. Here are some visual resources to get you started. YouTube, search for Bilgin 263-280-meter Leona for a video tour. Bilgin Yachts website. Check out their official page for detailed information and images. Would you like to explore any specific aspect of the Bilgin 263 Leona? Nord's Superyacht, a luxurious giant. Nord is a colossal superyacht that commands attention wherever it goes. Built by the renowned German shipyard Luxuries, this 141.63-meter, 464 feet, behemoth is a masterpiece of engineering and design. Key features and specifications. Length, 141.63 meters, 464 feet. Builder, Luxuries Yachts. Design, Novellari Leonard. Exterior and interior. Capacity, up to 36 guests and 42 crew members. Notable features. Striking exterior design with a unique bow. Luxurious and spacious interior. State-of-the-art technology. Extensive amenities, including a helicopter hangar, swimming pool, and cinema. Nord is owned by Russian billionaire Alexei Mordashov. The yacht has been in the news due to its association with Russia's invasion of Ukraine. It was subject to sanctions and made headlines for its journey to Vladivostok to avoid seizure. KAIROS, a timeless oasis at sea. KAIROS is a groundbreaking 90-meter superyacht concept born from the collaborative vision of Oceanco and Pininfarina. This extraordinary vessel redefines luxury yachting by offering an unparalleled living experience characterized by harmony, space, and sustainability. Key features and design philosophy. Symmetrical design. KAIROS boasts a unique symmetrical profile, eliminating the traditional forward-facing orientation and creating a sense of timelessness. The Piazza. This central hub serves as the heart of the yacht, connecting various living spaces and offering breathtaking views. Sustainability. Built in harmony with Oceanco's NXT initiative, KAIROS incorporates cutting-edge technology to minimize environmental impact. An all-electric e-hybrid propulsion system and efficient energy management are key features. Spatial freedom. The yacht's layout prioritizes open spaces and fluid transitions between indoor and outdoor areas, fostering a sense of connection with the surrounding environment. Guest experience. KAIROS offers an abundance of private and communal areas, allowing guests to relax, socialize, or indulge in personal pursuits. A glimpse into luxury. ISA Yachts Gran, a blend of sportiness and elegance. ISA Yachts Gran line is renowned for its distinctive blend of sporty performance and elegant design. These yachts are characterized by their striking profile, with a setback superstructure and a focus on open spaces. Key features of ISA Gran yachts: sporty design, sleek lines, a dynamic profile, and powerful performance. Spacious interiors, luxurious and modern interiors with ample natural light. Innovative layout, optimized use of space, often featuring innovative design elements. Customization, tailored to individual owner preferences. Popular models in the Gran line. While there are various models within the Gran line, some of the most prominent ones include Gran Turismo 50. This model offers a perfect balance of performance and luxury, with a focus on open spaces and innovative design. Gran Turismo 70, a larger vessel that maintains the sporty character of the line while offering even more space and amenities. ISA Yachts consistently pushes the boundaries of yacht design. The Gran line is a testament to this commitment, featuring cutting-edge technology and materials. Would you like to learn more about a specific Gran model, or perhaps explore other ISA yacht lines? I can also provide information on interior design, performance specifications, or available amenities. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have. Check completed. Understand the results. Orient Express Silenseas, a luxury sailing ship. Orient Express Silenseas is an upcoming, highly anticipated luxury sailing ship set to redefine ocean travel. This extraordinary vessel is being developed by Orient Express and Chantiers de l'Atlantique, promising an unparalleled experience of elegance, comfort, and sustainability. Key features and highlights. World's largest sailing ship. The Silenseas will be the largest sailing ship ever built, offering a unique blend of sailing technology and modern luxury. Sustainable design. The ship is committed to environmental responsibility with its hybrid propulsion system combining wind power and liquefied natural gas, LNG. Luxurious accommodations, featuring 53 spacious suites, including a monumental presidential suite. The Silenseas promises the epitome of luxury and comfort. Onboard amenities. Guests can indulge in world-class dining, a spa, swimming pools, a cabaret, and a private recording studio. Immersive experiences. Linea 90M Yacht, a masterpiece of design and luxury. Linea 90M is a stunning concept superyacht that has captured the imagination of yacht enthusiasts worldwide, the result of a collaboration between Fincantieri and Clayton Reeves. This 90-meter vessel is a testament to the synergy between innovative design and shipbuilding expertise. Key features and design highlights. Sleek and modern profile. Inspired by classic Italian car design, Linea boasts a flowing and elegant profile that exudes sophistication. Spacious and luxurious interiors. The interior, designed by March in White, offers a perfect blend of contemporary elegance and timeless luxury. Dark tones, unique materials, and tailored details create an inviting and sensuous atmosphere. Dedicated owner's deck, a private oasis with a spa pool, lounge areas, and direct access to the helipad. Extensive amenities, multiple decks featuring swimming pools, hot tubs, dining areas, and entertainment spaces. Beach Club, a versatile area that transforms into an open-air cinema in the evening. Focus on privacy. The yacht offers unparalleled privacy with features like a concealed spa pool and secluded owner's deck. A glimpse into luxury. The success of Linea 90M is a testament to the combined expertise of Fincantieri, a renowned shipyard with a rich history of building exceptional yachts. Clayton Reeves, a design studio known for its innovative and distinctive yacht concepts. March in White, an interior design firm specializing in creating luxurious and sophisticated spaces. Eclipse, a titan of the seas. Eclipse is a legendary superyacht, renowned for its sheer size and unparalleled luxury. Owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, this behemoth of the sea continues to captivate imaginations worldwide. Key features. Immense size. At 162.5 meters, 533 feet, Eclipse held the title of the world's largest yacht for a few years before being surpassed. Unbelievable amenities. This yacht boasts 2 helicopter pads, a missile defense system, a submarine, several swimming pools, hot tubs, and even a disco. Luxurious accommodations. With 24 guest cabins, Eclipse can comfortably accommodate a large number of guests. Cutting-edge technology. Equipped with advanced stabilization systems and other technological marvels, Eclipse offers unparalleled comfort and safety. A symbol of opulence. Eclipse is more than just a yacht. It's a floating palace that epitomizes the height of luxury and extravagance. Its existence is a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of wealth. Would you like to know more about specific features of Eclipse, or perhaps compare it to other superyachts? I can also provide you with links to articles or videos that offer a more in-depth look at this extraordinary vessel. Tecnomar For Lamborghini 63 is a limited edition luxury speedboat designed and built by the Italian Sea Group. It is inspired by the performance and design of Lamborghini supercars and features a top speed of 63 knots. Key features: design, inspired by the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37, with a focus on speed and dynamic weight. Performance, powered by two-man V12-2000 HP engines, allowing it to reach a top speed of 63 knots. Materials, extensive use of carbon fiber, similar to Lamborghini cars, making it lightweight and strong. Interior, luxurious and sporty, with Lamborghini-inspired design elements and materials. Limited edition. Only 63 units will be produced, reflecting the year of Lamborghini's founding.